Hi, I'm Gia Giovanni, and you are watching Word of Geo. All right, guys, so I need your help. I am looking for a pandemic lip gloss or lipstick, something that is not going to come off on my mask. Okay, so first up we have Misty Rose from SHEIN. Okay, so let's test her out with the mask. Okay, not too much transfer. I am really liking Miss Misty Rose, honey. She is giving what she came to give. Yes. Okay, lovely. Oh my God. I'm not really a nude person. I feel like this is a beautiful, nude. It's complimentary to brown tones, honey. Yes, giving. Okay. I hate to take off Miss Misty Rose. She is beautiful. Okay, so it's from SHEIN on the SHEIN app. And this is just beautiful. Lovely. Yes. Okay. Misty Rose. And there's not much transfer, so I really appreciate that. All right, let's see. So I'm just using some Vaseline, and this is a Microsoft towel to take this off. That's another really great tip. To take off any lipstick, just don't wet it. Just literally just dip a microfiber towel in some Vaseline and remove. And that's it. Okay, we are ready for the next. Okay, so the next one up is Heartthrob from SHEIN. Okay, so this is more of a pink. I'm not really a pink kind of person on my lips. I love pink in fashion, but not on my face. Let's see what she is giving. Oh. I don't mind her, but she ain't my favorite. What do you think? I mean, she's okay. I'm not gonna be like, never. But this wouldn't be my first choice. It's more along the lines of like an orangey, corally. I'm not sure what this is. I don't really like to be unsure about things, and this is not giving me what I need. I mean, are you red? Are you orange? What are you, ma'am? It's like, look at this. It's definitely like a pinky, reddy, orangey. I'm not sure what should be. It's okay once it dries down. Okay, let me give her a chance. Actually, I take all of that back. This is so cute. It's definitely different than what I'm used to, but very cute nonetheless. Okay, let's try it out. Conversation. Mask. Okay. A little slight transfer, not too much, but a little slight transfer. Nothing to write home about, but it's okay. Oh, I don't really mind this. I think this actually is a cute color. But I'm just so used to just like, you know, the magnetic reds, that this is, I guess, a little more subtle. And you could rock this during the day, you know, for a little brunch or something. It's cute. I don't mind it. Okay. Okay, so next up from Sheen is Crimson. So this is more along the lines of the shades that I really enjoy. A nice deep red. Ooh, this is... Ooh. We going to the club, eh? Honey. Yes. Yo. Baddie. Come find me. When I tell you that this color is so freaking sexy, you are sexy. Okay, so this is definitely more along the lines that I enjoy, because I love me a good red, honey. Okay, red just really pops on black skin. It's fire as hell, okay? Yes, the darker, the beautiful. Goodness. Crimson, gorgeous. Look at this thing. It is, and I didn't even put that much on. It is such a deep red for $5.95, honey. Stop. Okay, so Miss Crimson is everything, y'all. I am loving this color. This is definitely in my wheelhouse of the shades that I enjoy wearing. I love a good nude, but I'm not a nude person. Like, you gonna see all of these red lips, okay? Yes. All right. I love a bold statement lip color because it's like I don't wear a lot of makeup on my face. I'm not a makeup person. And in saying that, not because I don't know how to use makeup. I do know how to use makeup. I just don't like the feel of makeup on my face. So I do enjoy like a nice bold lip and maybe some mascara. That's about it. Like, I prefer to take care of my skin, make sure that my skin is unblemished, you know what I'm saying? No hyperpigmentation, because I do have issues with hyperpigmentation, and then I find that the makeup kind of causes acne, and so the cycle just repeats. So I prefer to just kind of have beautiful clear skin as much as possible, and then wear like a bold statement lipstick. This color is just giving all of the gives, and I mean, should we set up a photo shoot? Should we set up a photo shoot? What? Hey, okay. All right, so unfortunately, I have to take this thing off and try the other colors. So let's do that. Popping. Even, what? Okay, bye, Crimson. So I'm shooting next to a window. That's why the sun is all up in my face. I don't mind it, because yes, come through, sun. All right, she is definitely hard to get off, which is a good thing, why it didn't transfer, but it's definitely highly pigmented and a little tough to get off, which is fantastic for a budget lippy. My goodness, it is so highly pigmented. Sheen, you done came through on this one. Okay. All right. Okay. My lips are gonna be sore as hell. All right, so I think that's I think that might be it for today, goddammit. All this rubbing. Doing this for you. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I think we're good. All right, so the next one is, let's see, Colourpop. I love Colourpop. I'm a big fan of this line. And this is season 10. It's actually by a YouTuber that I follow, and her name is Shayla. So Shayla and Colourpop, they created this this line, season 10. So let's try it out. I'm excited for her and for this. Oh, pretty. As you can see, it's very similar to that deep red crimson from Sheen. Come do. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Let me move back a little bit because this okay, so damn. I love this color. Okay, so this is season 10 from Colourpop, and Colourpop has always been one of my favorite budget lippies because their colors are so highly pigmented, very rich, and it's like $6. So I love Colourpop, and this is beautiful. You don't have to put too much on. Okay, let's try it out with the mask. Chatting, we're talking. Blue, 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 blue. Ha! Not a thing came off. Nothing. Look at this. Yo. Okay. I have found it. I have one more to try, but I have found my color because I do love the crimson from Sheen, but Colourpop is my brand, honey. Okay. Like, do you see this? Yes. And it is so rich. This is definitely the type of red that I love. Oh my God. Okay. Because it has like a blue undertone to it, and it just makes your teeth look so white. And I haven't done anything to my teeth other than brush them. Okay. So you gotta brush every day. You're gonna have white teeth too. All right. So that's it. Oh my God. Ooh. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I'm not gonna lie, rubbing this stuff off my face, my lips is hurt. I'm gonna do a bonus color, and this is another one from Colourpop, and it's called Sassy. Not like sexy, but sassy. She's sassy. And it's also by another YouTuber. Ellery and Colourpop did a line. Okay, this is definitely a little darker than I normally go. I'm a red girl through and through. Like, you gonna find me in a red at all times. This is more like a vampy dark brown burgundy. She cute, but she ain't my favorite. I know that this color doesn't really compliment me. Yeah, cute, but not necessarily something that I would be the first thing to reach for. It's cute though. It's a cute color. It's giving. Very dramatic, very brown, very deep, very rich. It's complimentary. I like it. It's cute. if you are into like deep browns, this is for you. Unfortunately, I can't say the same. Okay, so I really do not mind Ceci. She's just a little deeper and browner than I normally go. I'm a red girl, so I'm a little biased towards other colors, I think. So I have to definitely address that. But Ceci is cute. She's definitely more vampy, gothic look, I think. And that is just not that's not what I'm into. I'm light goth, like I'll do some black nail polish, that's about it. But on my face, black lipstick once in a while. This deep brown is cute, but not something that I'm gonna reach for. I just wanted to try it out. All right, so let's see if there's a transfer. Ha! There's really no transfer. You can't really see it because of the sun, but not much transfer at all. It is definitely a more dramatic color, maybe for the evening, you're going out. It's very vampy and very glam. I love it. I think it would look beautiful on other women, but I'm not sure if it's for me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy just hanging out with you. Thank you for looking at me play with makeup. I hope that this was helpful because I've been looking for some, colors that can really like stand the test of time through the day where it won't transfer to my mask. And hopefully this was able to help you as well. If you have any comments or suggestions on some brands that I can try that does not transfer to the mask, I would love to hear them. Let me know what you think about the different colors. Do you think do you have those colors? Do they look good on you? All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm Gio Giovanni, and you are watching Word of Gio.